Everybody gets who? Yes, implant Mike. Shake your cheeks. Right? Everybody shakes their cheeks. But you know what's funny about my cheeks? My cheeks up here are bigger than my cheeks down there. But unfortunately, but thank God I'm happily married with 5 daughters and 1 wife. All right. Listen, I was thinking so much yesterday because yesterday my family's coming over because we have my cousin getting married, who's my cousin, my niece. It's a crazy family, but and she get married. We're all going to Puerto Rico, and it's a quick message. I need to give you guys a message. We're all doctors here, and what's happening is that I did a non-surgical facelift on my sister and Botox all day long. So, we as doctors over here, we're concentrating on the neck up, and there's so many courses that I've taken over the last 27 years. I started doing implants in 1999. And what I remember also when I started doing Botox in 2001 was when I took my program for Botox, I'm sitting there next to physicians, gynecologists, estheticians. It was amazing how many people did not learn Botox and implants in their education because we had to take these courses afterwards. So today I'm proud to say that I am a board certified implantologist from the American Academy of Implant Dentistry. I'm also a diplomat of the ICOI, the AAID, member of the AAO. So there are a lot of organizations out there, and you need to be part of these organizations because it's not about just getting credentialed, especially through the AAID, because I love that program. You need to get credentialed because it just proves that you know what you're doing. Okay. Now, you're going to always have an SA out there. And those of you who have taken my course or my program, you know what an SA is. It's a smart. And what happens is that they always have something to say. And as we move up over the times, you become that person that just kind of knows their stuff. And it's a good thing. It's a crown. At the same time, it also shows that we've been doing this for a long time. But the best part of any kind of title or any kind of certification or any kind of how can I say, accomplishment that you do or you get, it's the trip getting there. Every trip, every program, every course I've taken over the past 25 years has introduced me to so many people, alrighty? And you need to understand that all your new dentists, all your new physicians, when you come out here and you're just going to be doing implants and you're going to start doing facial aesthetics, it's the people around you that make you the better person. So remember, there's always going to be somebody better than you, always, okay? But you have to be the best that you want to be, okay? And the best that you could be. And taking a Calderon Institute course, I got to talk about my course. I love my course, all right? It's very down to earth. I'll teach you everything I need to teach you, everything you want to learn. And I will, I'm at 631-328-5050. Or look at CalderonInstitute.com. You can even look at Instagram, Implant Mike or Calderon Institute. Both of them, they're on Instagram. And I am the person I am today, down to earth, because of so many people. I remember, hanging out with Scott Gans, great guy. Dean Vafiatis, love that man. Michael Pickles, the guy just teaches you everything you want to learn. He's just never afraid of telling you, hey, this is what you should do. Dan Rosen, another good guy for Zygomal implants. When you guys meet Ed Mills, I'm going through this list because these people just made me who I am today. And Jack Krauser. Come on, how can I forget Jack Krauser? The guy makes me laugh every time I see him. He's just a great man, a wealth of information. A great new buddy of mine, Dan Holtzclaw. Dan, he's just a Texan guy who's a Southern guy, and he'll just teach you what it is, and you got to learn from these people, especially if you're going to do zygomals and pterygoids, all right? And then you got my good buddy who basically I learned everything with as we were going on since 1999 is Jason Kim. Jason Kim, a great man. Jin Kim, I met through Jason, great guy, And Rutgers Perio, all those people out there, they were just fantastic to hang out with, and back in the day, before they passed away, Lenny Linkow was a man that I always respected, and Carl Misch. You guys, all this is in here. And you will be the same way 25 years from now if you want to be that way. I don't know what else to say. You know, it's a Saturday, it's sunny, and it's the end of the day. I'm still in the office. I'm about to go. Tonight I'm going to be fishing, and it's just wonderful. I love teaching. I want to make you guys the best you could be. All you new dentists and you new doctors coming out there, you want to learn this stuff, you know, let me help you get to that next level. And I'm the Calderon Institute, 631-5050. I'm sorry, 631-328-5050. And, you know, we're a team. We're all a team. It's not a competition. You know, teammates get together so that they can be the best that they could be. All right, it's not a competition. If somebody's competing against you, then just get them out of your circle, because it's about the circle. All right, love you guys, everybody I mentioned here. If I didn't mention somebody, please forgive me, because there's so many people that made me who I am today. Humble. And the best thing about doing implant dentistry and all this cosmetics and aesthetics is knowing what you can't do, okay? And when you can't do something, you call for help or you take a course, all right? And right now I'm the CalderonInstitute.com, and you call me if you need help. I was 2 weeks ago at NSU Dental. You guys got a fantastic clinic over there, okay? Because Christina Godoy, I met her. What a wonderful woman. 5 minutes. All I met her for 5 minutes, and you can just read her. She's wonderful. So, Christina, if you're going to see this video, thank you so much, because you're just a wonderful woman. I can't, and I hope that NSU gets me over there so I can give you guys a lecture every week on implants, okay? Especially at third years. You guys need to learn, all right? So I'm here to teach you guys anything that you can use from me to make your future better, because I'm already 55. I only got 17 years left in this game. Mwah! Love you guys. But anyway, to my 5 daughters, Ariana, Brianna, Cadence, Dakota, and Ella, and my wife, Winoska. Love you, ladies, because I couldn't do this without your support, okay? Ciao, everybody. Remember, shake those cheeks. Shake them. Shake them.